Do you believe that everything happens for a reason? Do you sometimes wish you knew what the reason was? I am Pamela, youngest child in the family. Even though the youngest, I think as if I'm already old, who had so many experiences in life. Maybe because I am surrounded by mature people at home, including parents, older siblings, and extended family. I was in fourth year high school back then that I dreamed of having my college in a reputable university, which offers both quality education and scholarship to deserving students. I believe that it would help me to achieve my dream to become a certified public accountant. The scholarship that I can get would also help my parents because they will not be worrying about my financial needs in school. This is an opportunity for me, so I took the entrance examination in this university. I'm very much confident that I will pass until the result come out saying that I failed. I didn't pass. Did you know the feeling of rejection? That was the exact feeling I had during that time. I feel so lost that I really don't know where should I go. I even cried a lot. This is not my first failure in life, but every time I failed, it seems like it's always the first. At that moment of my life, I doubted myself. I questioned myself if I can really do something great, something that would make people be proud of me. I asked myself, do I really have plans for myself, for my future? I blame myself because of what happened. Until I found UE. I took the entrance examination and fortunately I passed. Now, I don't need to worry where I will be studying, but there's still a feeling of despair in my heart. My parents must work hard to meet my financial needs. And also, I must accept the fact that UE will be my stepping stone in reaching my dreams. As time passes by, it gets happier and happier. I met new friends that remind me to not worry the future and just live in the moment. I also discovered that there is an automatic scholarship which is redeemable every semester in UE, and that the grade I got was qualified for that scholarship. At that moment, I realized that it's not that I don't plan for myself, it's just that God has better plans for me. I also met this group of friends which taught me to laugh as much as I can because life is too short to be unhappy. I also met these new friends that become my study buddies as well. They are always there whenever I need them. I forget the stress and pressure of studying accounting because of them. I can't imagine my life in UE without them. I know that in the near future, we will all together succeed in reaching our dreams. Now, I'm currently a 5th year accountancy student. Several months from now, I will be graduating and will be reviewing for the board exam. Even if I didn't want this way, all things turn out right. Everything fall into place. I believe that everything in our life happens for a reason. No matter how hard things seem to be, there is always a reason for them. Bad experiences are not mistakes, and they should not be regretted. God has a plan for each of us, and everything that goes on, may it be success or failure, will come together to complete that plan. We should understand that something good would come out in all our troubles and heartaches.